Today we are going to discuss about the cross-browser implementation, which we have done as a part of our enhancements to our Playwright framework. We have implemented 3 browsers, which are Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, which are regular browsers our end users might use for automation as well as for their product testing. And we have done few enhancements in the reporting module as well. So we have included logo of the company of for now and as well as the metadata like what's the browser we executed tests and what OS and all the stuff in the report. And let's execute one by one browser to see what's gonna happen. Let's do like Chrome first. The test is completed and let's run our report. So the report is executed. Let's see how our report displays. Yes, it is displaying the logo or company. And yes, it displays what app version we are executing our test on. But now we are 1.0.0, so that is the app version and we have executed test in Chrome. And our test environment is QA, and the OS is Windows. So we are dynamically getting these data. We are not giving any data inside our framework. This will be dynamically taken from the environment which we have executed. And that's how it's been configured in our framework as well. And this is our regular report where it displays how many pass and how many fail. And let's go on to our next browser. And I'm going to clear the file report first before going there. Report has been cleared. And then now I'm going to give the environment. And I'm going to give the browser. Let's change the browser as Firefox. And let's run our test. We are executing the test in Firefox. So the test has been executed and let's see our report. Report is created and let's see our report. You see the browser this Firefox. It's been automatically picking the browser where the test is executed. So let's go back and see how we can run in Edge browser. We need to clear the report. We provide the environment. We provide the browser as Edge. And then we're running our test. Getting executed in the Edge as we see. The test is executed and let's run our report. The report has been generated. Let's go back and see our report. And the browser displayed is Edge. So that is how we have enhanced our report to the display beautiful logo of the company. And a wonderful metadata to which once our manager sees the report they understands which browser the test has been executed as well as which OS version and which environment and what is the version you're testing against the application. So these are the enhancements we have done as part of this cross-browser and reporting enhancement video. Thank you. Subscribe to know more details in our upcoming videos.